The Great Hedgehog here for another Minecraft video, and today I'll be playing Mineplex, and I'm going to be playing survival games. Some people like to call it Hunger Games. What's a good map? Let's try to get Kakashi Islands. Can I get that? There. No. There. Alright. Here, let's just go to... Get out of the way. Let's just go to this one. Elevated Citadel. I'll choose the archer class. Alright, let's go. I believe this is episode 2, because I've only made one other video. There's Andy down there. Oh. I joined the players team. Okay. I didn't know that. I didn't think I was a player. I thought it was like one of those god people. That'd be pretty cool. Andy! Andy! Oh. Dang it. I'm with someone else doing that glitch thing. Not glitch, but it just has an extra person. Of course, I'm not slow with an extra person. Let's do this. Make it go there fast. Get all this stuff. Dang it. Shut up. I don't like you. Here? Probably got everything here, right? Yeah. Get away from me. Who are you? Oh geez, someone has a gold sword. I'm scared I'm gonna run. Just gonna put on this for protection. Okay, well at least that wasn't me. Ooh, don't like that. Ah. Dang it. It's all taken. I already looted. Okay, I already looted. Hello? Anyone? Okay. No, don't you... Dang it! Okay. That wasn't a very good video. So, I'm gonna play again. See if I get it. Kakashi Islands. Yes! Alright, just letting you guys know, there are iron swords here in item frames, secretly in item frames, and I know where all of them are. So you are not gonna win. Except someone has a diamond sword. That will be good. Because there's Andy. What? What? Okay. Fine. I guess I'll try again. I then go to Andy. Andy. Oh, Andy's so cute. Look at him. You get to everything quick before the time is up. Andy, 5, 4, Andy, 2, Andy! Alright. It's this way, this way. This way is the iron sword. Let's go. Dang it, other people know where to go. Ton of other people. Well, I should know just one where to go. Ooh, haha, I get there first. Get there before the guy behind me. I'm not even sure if he's following me anymore. I can look, but I don't want to. Actually, I know how to look right now. No, not screenshot. How do you do it? Look behind? Is it like this? No, it's not. No, it's not. I believe it's F5, right? F5? Is it? Is it F5? Whatever. Okay. Gonna get it. No, he got there before me. Oh, he has a sword, so I'm running. Damn, he got there before me. That's bad. Get up the stairs! I know another one is better not get it. No. Don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Screw you. Screw you. You know that? I just can't seem to do any goodness. There's like I usually do good whenever I'm recording. I just don't do good. I don't know why. I get at least third usually. But sometimes I just go for the sides, or some guy just decides to somehow get there. I mean, no one was in front of me. I guess, maybe, really. I don't know. Maybe like teleport, like Enderman. Wee, Andy, 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 Andy. Okay. There's okay. You guys want to? Okay, let's go. Can I get off it? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Anything? Hello? Anything? Anything? Please, anything. Anything. Damn it, screw this. Okay, that's good. Someone who's first blood. Ooh, is this chest been moved yet? Probably not. Has it? No, it hasn't. Wooden sword, let's go. That scared me a lot. Idiot. Idiot guy over there. I'll kill him. Kill him. Oh shoot, here's an iron sword. Shh, damn tree! Kikoshi Islands. Can I go to Kikoshi Islands? Can I or can't I? Answer me. Oh yeah, too many people are running at the same time. I don't care. Alright, let's try to get the iron swords again. This time, no. Just no. Andy! Andy, don't Andy. Look at baby unicorn. And Andy. Alright, let's go. This way? This way. No, not that way. Oh, it's all the way there. Let's go this way. Ooh, no one else is coming. Alright, I think I'll get it. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh no. Guess what? I'm getting dead for you. Okay, I'm scared. Hope no one else is coming through. Okay. Okay. Stone sword, don't need that, but I'll take it so no one else can have it. Nothing good here. Over here. Anything? Anything else? I don't know. Bread. I'll take that. In case I get even more hungry. Like this. Someone's coming. Don't mind if I do. I'll place that. These two chests over there. I'll take those. Make sure the frost does not get me over there. Frost is the ice slowly coming in. And I'm scared of it because it kills me. Don't need this. I need this. Actually, I do need this. Ooh, I definitely need this. Alright, now I need to take. Yeah, I will make it. Okay, I think I might actually win or do very good because I have the iron swords. Where did that guy that killed me last time get an iron sword? Which one was that? Gold boots. Change those too. Take more bread. Okay. Ooh, has anyone gotten an item frame here? There's 2 item frames that I know of. There's a kitchen, which is right here, and a warehouse, which is where I just came from. Oh yeah, there's 3 item servers. But there's only one in here. Have they already taken it? Oh, they have. They have it right here. Someone's taken it. Alright, the frost is coming right through there. So I wanted to go back here and not die. What I think I can do. Oh, nice. I'm gonna add the archery kit so I can use barrage and I get lots of arrows. But I only get 3 at a time. So I guess it's not lots of arrows, but I get arrows quickly. Like, whatever. Fire an arrow, it gives me amazing. Chicken! Don't mind if I do. Supply drop incoming. Is it over here? Maybe. No, I think it might be over here. Okay, so it was 902.45. This is definitely not it. Diamond sword, please. That means that guy's already over there. Where is the supply drop? Up here? No. It's over there. Is it over here? Not sure. Probably. Now I guess I'm scared of whoever got that supply drop because I guess I can do it. Oh cheese and nuggets. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No. No. He had a gold sword. Alright. Join please. Click Islands. Picture glass. Dang it, it's Elevolt. I thought I clicked Kokoshi Islands. Alright, this is probably the last round I'll do before I end the video. Well, Andy! Hi, buddy. Beep. Can I have wooden axe? Oh, I would take it. I'll kill someone. Can I kill you? I just realized I got a bow. I like actually. How on earth did I get a bow? I do not even know. How that rhymes. Haha. Alright, I'm running away from that guy because he's a stone sword and I'm scared of him. I'm running away. Running away. Running. Oh shoot. Can I... That guy! I don't like him. Well, I hope you guys like this. That was episode 2 of my Minecraft something. So, yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.